Hello, my name is Ashley Hamlin, a licensed esthetician and lead educator for Herbal Skin Solutions. Today, I will show you how to incorporate Neroli Repair Oil into your dermaplaning treatments and talk about the benefits of oil planing. Start by applying 1 drop of Neroli Repair Oil in the area you will be working on and spread evenly over the skin. A little goes a long way, and in most cases, 4 to 6 drops will cover the client's face and neck. Since most clients tend to be more reactive to dermaplaning on dry skin, oil planing helps to counteract the drying effect. With nourishing and regenerative ingredients such as neroli, marula, vitamin E, and calendula flower CO2 extract, Neroli Repair Oil replenishes the skin's moisture levels before removing dead keratinized skin and peach fuzz. Delivering high potency of hydration alongside anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, Neroli Repair Oil is non-comedogenic and safe for most all skin types, including those prone to acne. Antioxidants such as grapeseed extract and vitamin E protect against free radical and environmental damage. Herbal Skin Solutions Neroli Repair Oil can be found in your September Esthetician subscription box. Tune in with us on September 23rd to learn about more ways of incorporating Neroli Repair Oil into your treatment room services and home care routine.